45 minutes later, our delicious kofta kebab roll bites are ready. For the oven baked kofta kebab roll bites, we will need 2 pounds of ground beef, tortilla wraps, onion, garlic, mint, ginger, chilies, salt, pepper, coriander, cumin. We will make this recipe under an hour. Let's take 2 medium-sized onions. You can use red onion in there as well. Cube it out, add it in your processor. 10 to 12 cloves of fresh garlic. It goes in here. 2 of the jalapeno peppers, they go in here. Fresh ginger, handful of ginger cubes. And here we go. Let's add this here. Let's take some mint leaves. Handful of mint leaves, and it goes in here. This will create the delicious, perfect flavor for our kofta kebab meat, which we will be rolling it in our tortilla wraps. And here we go. Our fresh veggies are ready to go. This is what I'm talking about. Ground beef. So 15 is the fat. Lean meat is 85%. Kebab should be a little bit, fatty. If you don't do the fatty stuff, it's gonna be all dry meat. We don't want that, right? So it has water in here, right? So just squeeze with the help of your hand and try to not put a lot of water in here. Let's turn on our oven. So it's gonna be ready by the time 475 bake. Fresh veggies and the meat is ready. Let's season this with some dry ingredients. 1 tablespoon of the salt, black pepper, 1 tablespoon, coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of it, crushed cumin, 2 and 3. You can add an egg in here, but I would suggest use cornstarch for the binding, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Here's the moment of truth. This is our kebab mixture, and here you go. Mix it for 5 minutes and it will be ready. If you want to put it all in a mixer, you can definitely put it in a mixer. Here we go. Delicious kebab is completely ready, and it's ready to get into our kebab roll bites. Start with the flour tortillas. Okay, so here is our tortilla. Let's start with 1. Okay, let's take the meat, make a big ball, take a big ball of the meat, put it in the center, and just spread this meat on the tortilla. Look at this, looking good, right? It's done. Here you go. Roll it up. This is your kofta kebab roll. Once you're done, and just roll it. Okay, so we have the roll ready. Now we will take a knife and we will make biteable size pieces out of it. We will leave an inch space in between, and you will just slice these guys up. You see these rolls? These are the roll bites. We'll take a bamboo skewer right here, grab the roll, go in the center, just like that. Look at this. So one skewer gonna have 4 rolls. Simple, easy. Yes. 5 beautiful skewers are completely ready. Once you have it on your baking sheet, take olive oil and just drizzle on top. You can oil spray it too. And my friend, they are going straight in the oven at least for 40 minutes at 475, and here they go. 45 minutes later, our delicious kofta kebab roll bites are ready. Let's turn off the oven. I want you to see inside. Our delicious rolls are done. They are good. Look at this crusty side at the base. Now let's make the sauce which is gonna balance it out. Let's do 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Real mayo, we will do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, dry dill weed. So we'll do some of them. 1 cup of water in here. Pomegranate seed powder, a tablespoon. A tablespoon of the salt. Go fresh lime in here. So look at this, look at the texture of the sauce. Okay, this is our serving plate. So we will put a layer at the base. The rolls, let's land it just like this on top. Now this is a complete, fantastic, delicious, I would say, kebab roll recipe. Sprinkle some more dry dill, and here you go. Enjoy these. This is the taste test now. So here you go. It has the sauce already. Let's grab one whole bite. Oh my god, it has a crispy texture. Woo! And here you go. My god, this is so good. So yummy. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. This is the real kofta kebab roll bites. It's a complete meal.